In this video, I will show you how the version history feature works in the Academy. Version history allows you to view previous versions of a lesson and restore any of them if needed. It helps you to track changes, recover early content, and avoid losing important information during editing. Every time you make changes and click Save, the system automatically creates a new version. To view the version history, click the history icon in the top right corner. Here, you will see all saved versions with timestamps and information about which administrator made the changes. If you need to recover a previous version, just click for it and click Restore this version. After that, the lesson will be restored in the selected version. This feature ensures safe editing and allows you to work with content confidently. I hope this helps, and good luck with your Academy!